Welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel. So hello everyone, this is the second video from the exercise 4.5 from the book of ML Agrawal. Okay, and today I am going to start from sum number 7.1. From the previous part, that means from sum number 1 to 6, please check the description box. The link will be there. So here 7.1, x cube plus x plus 2. Now you have to factorize this one. Okay, so here it's 2. So here x cube plus x, and here 2. So you can write 2 as 1 plus 1. Okay, then x cube and 1 make a pair, and x plus 1 make another pair. Okay, now here x cube plus 1, you can easily apply the formula a cube plus b cube. The formula is a plus b, then a square minus ab plus b square, and the rest of part plus x plus 1 will be there. Now this is the first part and this is second part. So from the both part, x plus 1 will be common. So here x plus 1 will be common. Then write down this one, x square minus x plus 1, then plus, and if x plus 1 will be common here, so here remain as 1. So x plus 1 into x square minus x is 1 plus 1, that becomes 2. So that is the final answer. Now next one, sum number 7.2, aq minus a minus 120. Okay, so instead of 120 you can write here minus 125 plus 5. Okay, minus 125 plus 5 also become minus 120. So here aq and minus 125 make a pair, and minus a plus 5. So here if you common minus, then it will be a minus 5. Now here aq minus 125, it becomes a minus 5 as aq minus 5q. So here you can apply the formula a cube minus b cube. So formula will be a minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square, and the remaining portion minus a minus 5 will be there. Now the first part and the second part, a minus 5 will be common. So write down a minus 5 first, and then write down a square plus 5a plus 25, then minus, and then that equal to 1. So the final answer a minus 5 and a square plus 5a plus 24. Now next one, sum number 8. So before going to solve sum number 8, first you have to learn two formula. First one is a plus b whole cube, and second one is a minus b whole cube. The formula a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. And for a minus b whole cube, it will be a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So for the plus, in the case of plus, here all the signs are plus, but in the case of minus, here first one plus minus, then plus, then minus. Okay, remember in this way, plus minus plus minus. So here sum number 8.1, x cube plus 6x square plus 12s plus 16. Okay, so here x cube and 6x square, so you can write in this way 3 dot x square into 2, that means 3 into x square into 2, it becomes 6x square. After that 3 into x into 2 to the power square, 2 to the square means 4, so 4 into 3 it becomes 12x. Last one 16. So here according to the formula of this one, here last one is b cube, so write down here 2 cube. Now 2 cube means 8, as here 16, so 8 plus 8 becomes 16. Okay, so here x cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, that is the formula of a plus b whole cube. So write down here x plus 2 whole cube, and the last one here plus 8. Now plus 8 means plus 2 to the power cube. Here you can apply the formula a cube plus b cube. So first one a plus b, then next a square minus ab, this one a, this one b, so ab plus b square. Now so here x plus 4, this one x plus 2 whole square, so the formula will be a plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square, then 2 into x minus 2x, 2 into 2 minus 4, and 2 square is 4, 4 cancel out. Final answer will be x plus 4, and here x square plus 2x plus 4, that is the final answer. Sum number 8.2, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus 2b cube. So write down a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, and instead of 2b cube write down here minus bq minus bq, that also become minus 2bq. So from the first one, first, second, third, fourth, it will be the formula of a minus b whole cube, and the last one minus bq, write down minus b whole cube. So here you can apply the formula a cube minus b cube, that means here a minus b and then a square, so that means a minus b whole square, so a square minus 2a plus b square. After that ab means a minus b into b, so a minus b into b, and the last one b square. So the final answer will be a minus 2b, as minus b means minus 2b, and here a square minus 2b, and here also ab. Okay, so minus 2ab and plus ab, that becomes minus ab, and here b square, here also minus b square and plus b square, so plus b square is 2b square, 2b square minus b square, that becomes 1b square. So that is the final answer. Next, sum number 9(1). So my dear students, if you like my video, please share this video with your friends, with your families. Okay, and in this pandemic situation, I'm trying to help as much as possible, so please help others by sharing these videos. So here in sum number 9(1), 2a cube plus 16b cube minus 5a minus 10b. Okay, so if 2 will be common from the first two part, then it's become a cube plus 8b cube, and here if 5 will be common, so it becomes also a plus 2ab. Okay, now here a cube plus 8b cube, that means a cube whole cube plus 8b cube means 2b whole cube, and here also minus 5a plus 2b. So from the first one, here you can apply the formula a cube plus b cube, and that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Here also minus 5a plus b. Now that is the first part, the whole part is the first part, and this one is the second part. So the first and the second part, here a plus b will be common. So if a plus 2b, sorry, a plus 2b, not b, a plus 2 will be common, then the remaining portion here from the first part, 2 into this one, so write down 2 into this one, then minus and then 5. Okay, so here the final answer will be a plus 2b, and here 2 into a square, then 2 into 2b minus 4ab, then 2 into 4b square 8b square, and here minus 5. Sum number 9(2), a cube minus 1 by a cube minus 2a plus 2 by a. Okay, so from here a cube minus 1 by a cube, that means it's the formula a whole cube minus 1 by a whole cube, so a cube minus b cube formula, so a minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square, and last two portion, here minus 2 will be common, so it becomes a minus 1 by a. Okay, now here from the first part and the second part, a minus 1 by a will be common, so write down a minus 1 by a, and then write down the remaining portion, that means here a square, here 1, here 1 by a square, then minus, and then 2 will be here. So a minus 1 by a, and then a square, here minus 2 plus 1, so it minus 1 plus 1 by square. So that is the answer. Now next, sum number 10(1). In sum number 10(1), here the given expression is a to the power 6 minus b to the power 6. Now a to the power 6 means a square whole cube, and b to the power 6 means also b square whole cube. Okay, now according to the formula a cube minus b cube, first write down a minus b, that means here a square minus b square, then a square plus ab plus b square, so it will be a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4. Now from the first part, here a square minus b square. Now you know the formula of a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. Here a to the power 4 means a square whole square. Now instead of a square b square, you can write down first 2a square b square. After that b to the power 4 means b square whole square, and as here only one a square b square and you write down 2a square b square, so to adjust this one, subtract one another a square b square. That means here 2a square b square minus a square b square, it becomes a square b square. Okay, so here just adjust this one a square b square with 2 minus 1. So from the first part a plus b into a minus b, and here a square whole square plus 2a square b square plus b square whole square. From these three you can easily get out the formula, that is a plus b whole square formula. Here a means a square, b means b square, so a square plus b square whole square, and the rest part minus ab square ab whole square, that means a square b square. So that means here you can again apply the formula a square minus b square formula. Okay, it's a little bit tough problem, but doing the sum step by step. Okay, whenever you going to start or going to do this sum, so just solve this problem step by step and very carefully, it's a little bit tough problem. So here a square plus b square whole square minus ab whole square. So that means here you can again apply the formula a square minus b square, and the formula will be a plus b, a minus b. A plus b means a square plus b square plus ab, write down here, a square plus b square minus ab here. So the full answer will be a plus b, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, a square minus ab plus b square. Okay. Now sum number 10(2) as same as sum number 10(1). So here the only some hints here. So here x to the power 6 minus 1, x to the power 6 means x square whole cube minus 1 whole cube. So it becomes a cube minus b cube, that means a minus b, so x square minus 1, and here a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so here as here a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4, here also x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. So you can here also you can apply the same method as I applied here, as a square b square becomes as 2a square b square minus x square b square. So you can also write down here 2x square minus x square, and then you will get this answer. Okay, with the help or with the help of the method of the previous one. Okay, so just trying it, I hope you can do it. Now sum number 11(1). Okay, it's another tough problem. Here 64 x to the power 6 minus 729 y to the power 6. Now you know that 64 is the whole cube of 4. So 4x square whole cube minus 9y square whole cube. So first write down according to the formula a cube minus b cube. So a minus b. After that a square plus ab plus b square. Okay. Now from the first one, as here 4x square and 9y square. Now 4x square means 2x whole square, and minus 9y square means 3y whole square. So that means here you can easily apply the formula a square minus b square. That means a plus b, a minus b. Okay, first portion done. Now next one. In the next part here 16x to the power 4 means 4x square whole square, and then 2 into a into b, and last one 81 y to the 4 means 9y square whole square. Okay, so as here 36 x square y square, and here 9 into 2 into 4, that means 72. So 72 x square y square. Now to adjust as 36 x square y square, then you have to subtract again minus 36 x square y square from 72 x square y square. Okay, so the first two number will be same, 2x plus 3y into 2x minus 3y. Now here first, second and third, from this portion here you can apply the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. That means a plus b whole square formula. And the last part, it's become 6xy whole square. Okay, so you can treat this one as the formula of a square minus b square. So a plus b and then a minus b. So the full answer will be here. Now sum number 11(2). In sum number 11(2), here x square minus 8 by x. Okay, so from these two number you have to common 1 by x. So if 1 by x will be common from x square, it becomes x cube minus, and if 1 by x common from the next one, it becomes 8. Now how if 1 by x common from x square, it becomes x cube? Whenever you multiply 1 by x, then you will get again x square, as 1 by x into x cube, it's got x square. Okay, so that means whenever you common x square, 1 by x from x square, you will get x cube and then minus 8. Now x cube minus 8 becomes a cube minus b cube formula. Here b is 2, so a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so that is the final answer. Now next one, sum number 12(1). So in sum number 12(1), here 250 a minus b whole cube plus 2. So first you have to common 2 from these two portion. So if 2 will be common, it becomes 125 a minus b cube plus 1. Then 125 means 5 whole cube, so 5 into a minus b whole cube plus 1 cube. then multiply 5 with this one, 5a minus 5b whole cube plus 1 cube. Now you can apply the formula a cube plus b cube. So a plus b, then a square minus ab plus b square. Now a square means 25a square plus 25b square minus 50ab. That means here you can apply the formula a minus b whole square formula. Then just open the bracket, minus 5a plus 5b, and after that 1. So that is the full answer. Sum number 12(2). 32a square x cube minus 8b square x cube minus 4a square y cube plus b square y cube. So from the first two numbers, if you common 8x cube, then it will be 4 square minus b square. From the next two number, if you common minus y cube, then it also becomes 4 square minus b square. So here 4 square minus b square is the common term. Then write down the remaining term 8x cube minus y cube. Okay, so from the first two term, you can apply the formula a square minus b square. And from the next two term, you can apply the formula a cube minus b cube. So a plus b, a minus b is the formula of a square minus b square, and here a cube minus b cube, so a minus b, then a square plus ab plus b square. So this is the last sum from this exercise and as well as in this video. So please share this video with your friends, with your family members, and I'm trying to solve as much as possible. Okay, I'm trying to solve all the problems from your exercise book. So please cooperate with me and share this video with as much as you can. Okay, so here the last problem 13(1). In 13(1), x to the power 9 plus y to the power 9 is the given expression. So that means x cube whole cube plus y cube whole cube. So first you can apply here formula a cube plus b cube, that means a plus b, and then a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, after that a cube plus b cube, here you can again apply the formula a cube plus b cube. It becomes a plus b, a square minus a plus b square, and then write down this one. So it's your full answer. So the last one 13(2), x to the power 6 minus 7x cube minus 8. Okay, so x to the power 6, now instead of 7x cube, write down minus 8x cube plus x cube. Minus 8x cube plus x cube, it also become minus 7x cube, then minus 8. So from the first two number, the common term is x cube, then x cube minus 8. Next two number common term is 1, so x cube minus 8. Write down x cube minus 8 only one time, and after that x cube plus 1. Okay, now x cube minus 8 means x cube minus 2 whole cube. That means a minus b, a cube minus b cube formula. So a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square. And the last one, x whole cube minus 1 whole cube. So here you can apply the formula a plus b, that means a plus b, a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so thank you so much.